Hello everyone, my name is Siddharth and today I have with me the Asus ROG Phone 5 Ultimate. This phone has just launched in India and is priced at Rs 79,999. It is a slightly upgraded version of the ROG Phone 5 which we have right here, and it launched in April earlier this year. For me, the ROG Phone 5 is the ultimate gaming phone that you can buy right now. But what makes the ROG Phone 5 Ultimate so ultimate? Let's find out. Right out of the box, you can see the difference between the ROG Phone 5 and the Ultimate Edition. Mostly, all of it boils down to the visual intricacies where the RGB light panel of the regular ROG Phone 5 is replaced with the ROG Vision display over here. It is a small monochrome AMOLED display on the back that can be customized to show a message and lets you give it a unique personality. You can choose from the given preset messages or can show a custom message. On the ROG Phone 5, we get a RGB dot matrix display instead that can be customized similar to the ROG Aura lighting system seen on ROG laptops. We have already reviewed the ROG Phone 5 and you can click here to watch the full review. What's more is that the ROG Phone 5 Ultimate brings in 18GB of RAM and 512GB storage, which should ideally help you get long and sustained performance. We'll test out the ROG Phone 5 Ultimate, taking it through our test process. And let us know what all would you like to know about the ROG Phone 5 Ultimate, and we'll be sure to include it in our review. Thanks for watching.